Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Donald Trump launches his crypto project. So let's talk about that. Then we have MicroStrategy announces the third debt offering in this year, 2024. This time they would like to raise $700 million to buy more Bitcoin. And we have Elizabeth Warren, who actually urges Fed chair to make massive rate cut. She's asking for 75 basis point rate cut. And you know, the FOMC meeting is tomorrow on the 18th of September. Then we have a small country in the Himalayas. Turns out they hold a lot of Bitcoin, $780 million worth of Bitcoin they have. And let's talk about Tether, which market share has increased. And right now they control 75% of the market. So they turned out to be pretty big in the last couple of years. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. Why? To keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And by the way, I just wanted you guys let you know that I'm going to the conference in Dubai, which is, Blockchain Life, as Blockchain Bloom is an among the influence partners, as you can see it here. And by the way, if you would like to purchase a ticket, just use the BCB code, when you're buying the ticket here, top right corner is buy the tickets. I will put the link under this video, and then you can get a discount. Also, if you would like to become a sponsor, you can do that as well. Use the BCB code to get these kind of little things. Okay, and if you're going to be there, see you there, guys. It's coming up pretty soon. Right now, the big conference is Token 2049 now happening in Singapore tomorrow after tomorrow, but then I think this will be the next big deal. It's happening in Dubai, and this is in October. Okay, but now let's talk about the market. So we can see that Bitcoin is actually now 1.4% up, $59,255 right now, changing in the last 24 hours, going up. Ethereum almost 1% up, $2,319. The top gainer, Celestia, is up 14%. Immutable X almost 10%. And Sui up 8.5%. Among the losers, Helium going down almost 4, Say 3, and Tether Network about 3, but no major dumps as you can see. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see another candle going towards this kind of 60,000, couple of hundred-ish level, and we'll see what's gonna happen. We are actually 150 days from the halving, and we do know that from the 160 days, it could be start the excitement, because historically between 160 and 180 days was when the price started to go up. And I think everybody's very eager to find out it's happening this time or not. Meanwhile, let's talk about the news. And one thing is, Donald Trump is starting his crypto project. So Donald Trump is actually campaigning right now with crypto. You can donate Bitcoin to his campaign. He said he would like to have all the miners, Bitcoin miners in the United States, and he made a lot of promises which are crypto related. And now we have actually him launching his own project called World Liberty Financial. So what is this all about? So this is a project will offering borrowing and lending services for cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum blockchain, basically. And it will have its own token, which is right here, WLFI. And in this article, you can find out a bit more about the token. By the way, there is no pre-sale, no VC, early buys wins. This is what they're saying. And the majority of the token supply, almost 63%, will be distributed in the forthcoming token sale. So anyway, he's starting a crypto project, so really showing his interest in crypto, that he's passionate about crypto, and probably sounds like a good business to him as well. Yeah. So I don't know. Would you be interested in this kind of projects? I don't know. He already came out with Donald Trump NFTs, so he's not new to the crypto space when it comes to a project. But this time he's going for this lending borrowing service, World Liberty Financial. Okay. Next topic is all about MicroStrategy. They would like to make even more money to invest in Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy keep buying Bitcoin. We do know that, but actually announcing a third debt offering in this year, 2024. A plan is this time to raise $700 million US. So yeah, yes. Sorry, I just wanted to read this out, but I mostly said it. So anyway, so MicroStrategy has announced its third debt offering in 2024, aiming for raise $700 million by issuing convertible senior notes due in 2028. The bottom line is that actually they want to make more money, get more money to invest in Bitcoin. And how they invest in Bitcoin? When they buy, well, it's pretty clear here. They keep buying all the time. Doesn't matter where it is, right? It's at the bottom, or it's at the top. Wherever these green dots are, you know, it's starting all the way from 2020, August. That was the first purchase of MicroStrategy, buying Bitcoin. Since that, you know, they keep buying. And even they buy both around the top, as you can see it. Then both the bottom. And then both the bottom several times. Now, here, they do believe in Bitcoin, so they just keep buying. And with this strategy, which is not rocket science what they're doing here, they are very nicely in profit. So it's worth to think about this kind of DCA strategy, because people many times, you know, they trading, they invest in shitcoins, a lot of things, losing a lot of money, instead of, for example, as you can see it here, investing in Bitcoin and you know, slowly but continuously increasing the profit. I don't know what you think about this, but I also think, which is not financial advice, but I also think that having one part of your portfolio in Bitcoin is definitely worthy. We do know that MicroStrategy is a Bitcoin maxi, so he keeps everything in Bitcoin. I mean, Mike is sailor, but through MicroStrategy, that's what I meant. Right. Okay, FOMC meeting, you know, tomorrow we're going to find out the rate cuts, but now we have Elizabeth Warren urges Fed chair to actually make even a bigger rate cut. So I think we crypto people do know who is Elizabeth Warren, because she's a Bitcoin critic, and she now urges Jerome Powell to make massive rate cuts. We're talking about 75 basis points. So actually she's saying, she's pushing the Federal Reserve to lower interest rate dramatically this week, with the outspoken crypto critic arguing that higher borrowing costs have threatened the US economy for too long. So she's talking about a 75 basis point cut. Let me see, let me check, refresh this. How we look like at the moment. What are the chances? Right now, 67% going for 50 basis point rate cut, 33 going for 25 basis point rate cut. And guess what? If we look back just like a week ago, we had 66 for 25 basis point and 34 for 50 basis points. So totally the opposite, right? But this is how things are changing. So right now it's really, really happening. 18th, tomorrow, on Wednesday, Jerome Powell going to announce, you know, how they decided. In 4 years, they haven't done something like that since COVID. So they waited kind of long, but now these rate cuts going to happen. It's happening all around the world. You name it. You know, you say Europe, you say China, Denmark, Canada, and so on and so forth. So many other countries. And if the US is now starting it, and it looks like tomorrow they're going to start it, then even more will follow, I believe. Okay, now let's talk about a country, a little country in the Himalayas, and it turns out they own a lot of Bitcoin. I think there are many countries around they buying Bitcoin secretly. They just don't talk about it, right? But now we have a country. It is actually a Buddhist kingdom in the Himalayas called Bhutan. And it turns out they actually have 13,011 Bitcoin. In dollar value, it's 780 million US dollars. So, well, quite a big deal. And, you know, Bhutan's Bitcoin does not come from law enforcement asset seizures, but from Bitcoin mining operations, which have ramped up dramatically since early 2023. So basically not like Germany or the United States, that when the US took the money from the Silk Road case, for example, but they actually mining Bitcoin, and so far, you know, made quite a big amount. And we're talking about, you know, a Buddhist kingdom. So very, very interesting. I'm wondering who else has Bitcoin and what amount, because this is not a small amount, and actually it's a small country, especially so compared to the country's size. And finally, let's talk about Tether. Tether market share rises 20%, reaching 75 in the last 2 years. So Tether's market cap is dramatically increasing in the last 2 years. And when I share the screen here, you can see it that Tether has grown its market share from 55 to 75% over the past 2 years. So first, Tether's USDT supply is 118 billion US dollar, and Tether's market share is 75%. Look at this increase. This is Tether. This it was here back in 2019. And here we had 2020. And again, since January 2023, going up continuously. And as you can see, 118 billion US dollar. So actually, it's definitely far the biggest by market cap when it comes to stablecoin, 75%. You know, it's their market share. This is just something I wanted to show you guys. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if you would like to stay up to date, simple, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.